Alright friends, now in this lesson we will learn how to add a new element to the list using append method. So you can add element to specific index. We will cover this in the next lesson. Or we can add element to the end of the list. We will use it by using append method. Here my original list. You see my list element here. So if I want to add one element to the end of the list, what I need to do? I need to use append method. So what's my name of the list? The variable name is h. So after dot notation, I use append method. Inside the append method, within the parentheses, I put my element. I want to add at to the end of the list. So if I print my list, what I will see, you see the updated list is this. We can do this way for seeing the difference. For example, print, and then I say original list. I put comma, and then what's my variable name? My list is h. So after that, I put print function before the append method. So after the append method, I want to print it again, but right now the updated list, because I added one element, updated list, and then I print h. So I run it. You see, before adding the last element, before using append method, my original list is this. So I add at using append method, and then I print it. Super. So in the next lesson, we will see how to add an element to a specific index.